Next topic, exercise 11.2, question number 3, 4, 5. Find the missing values. Base 20 centimeter, area of parallelogram 246 centimeter square. What is its height? Okay, height not given. Here, height, next one, height equal to 15 centimeter, area of parallelogram 154.5 centimeter square. We have to calculate base. Here, what is the area of parallelogram formula? Base into height. Area given, base also given, but not given the height. How can you calculate the height? Okay, here, so area of parallelogram equal to what? What is the formula to find the area of parallelogram? Base into height. Here, we have to calculate the height. Then how can you calculate the height? Height is equal to area of parallelogram divided by base. When area of parallelogram and base are given, that time how can you calculate the height? Height is equal to area of parallelogram divided by base. Just next one more. How can you calculate the base when area of parallelogram and heights are given? Okay, here another formula. Base is equal to area of parallelogram divided by height. These are the another formula. Okay, from this formula we can write it height equal to area of parallelogram divided by base. Next one, what? Base equal to area of parallelogram divided by height. Okay, here we have to calculate the height. Height equal to area of parallelogram divided by base. What is the area of parallelogram? 246 centimeter square divided by 20 centimeter. 246 divided by 20. 1 time 20, 46, 2 time 40, 6 decimal point 60, 3 times. Answer 12.3 centimeter. Okay. Next, B, height equal to 15 centimeter, area of parallelogram equal to 154.5 centimeter square. We have to calculate its base. Okay. One more formula is also there. You can write it. What? Base equal to area of parallelogram divided by height. Equal to what? 154.5 divided by 50 centimeter square. Here also centimeter. Okay, 154.5 divided by 15. 1 time 15, 0, bring down 4, 4 we can divide it, that time you put the 0, here 1 decimal point is there, positive decimal point, bring down 5, 3 times 45, 0, equal to 10.3 centimeter, height equal to 10.3 centimeter. Fourth question, find the missing values. Base equal to 15 centimeter, area of triangle equal to 87 centimeter square. We have to calculate height. Next, height equal to 31.4 millimeter, area of triangle equal to 1256 millimeter square, base equal to dash. We don't know the base. Okay, here the same thing. What's the area of triangle formula? Half into base into height. First we have to write it that formula. Okay, area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Okay, here half into what is its base? Base equal to 15 into height not given, h equal to what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle equal to 87 centimeter square. Okay, in the place of base and height you should write it 15 and h not given, h equal to 87 centimeter square, already given the area. Okay, then here 1 by 2 into 15, you can write it 15 by 2 into h equal to 87 centimeter square. By transposing method we can write 87, 15 by 2 moving to this side, right hand side, it will become divide 15 by 2. Here division of fractions, take the reciprocal of 15 by 2 and multiplied by 87. Okay, 87 into 2 by 15. Okay, here 87 into 2, 14, 174 divided by 50. 174 divided by 15. 1 time 15, 24. Okay, here 1, 15, 9, decimal point 96, 90, 11.6 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. Height and area given, we have to calculate base. Okay, for area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Half into base not given, b, height what is a 31.4 equal to what is the area of triangle? 125, say 1256 millimeter square. So 1 by 2 into 31.4, 31.4 divided by 2 into b equal to 1256 millimeter square. Okay, b equal to, by transposing method we can write 1256 divided by 31.4 divided by 2. 31 by 4 divided by 2, moving to this right hand side, it will become divide 31.4 divided by 2. That means 1256 into, take the reciprocal of this fraction, that means 2 divided by 31.4. Here in denominator one decimal number is there. We can remove the decimal point from that number. How can you remove the decimal point from that number? You multiply it by 10, we can remove the decimal point. At the same time, 10 multiplied by numerator also. Okay, then this becomes what? 1256 into 2 into 10 divided by 31.4 into 10. Okay, that is equal to 1256 into 2 into 10 divided by 314. Okay, here 1256 into 2, 12, 1, 5, 2 into 10, what's it? 2, 5, 1, 2, 0. Okay, this divided by 314. 25120 divided by 314. 314 into 8. 32, 3 balance, 1 8s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 balance, 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25, 80, 25,120. How many times? 80 times 25,120. What is the answer? 80 millimeter. What is the base? Base equal to 80 millimeter. Next, PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to SR and Q1 is the height from Q to PS. If SR equal to 12 centimeter and QM equal to 7.6 centimeter. Find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Q1 if PS equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, here PQRS is a parallelogram. Here first we consider any side, we can choose it as what? Base. Okay, here SR is a base, perpendicular on that side SR is QM. Then base into height equal to what? Area of parallelogram PQRS. No change in that area, same area. Then using that area we can calculate its height also. That time you should consider PS as a base. Okay. Here first we have to write it area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Okay. What is the area of parallelogram PQRS? Here what is the base? Base equal to SR into height equal to what? QM. QM perpendicular on side SR from the opposite vertex Q. Okay, that means SR into QM equal to what? 12 into 7.6. What is 12 into 7.6? 12 into 76. 12, 7, 14, 8, 2, 1, 9. Here 12 into 7.6, 7.6, 91.2 centimeter square. 91.2 centimeter square. Okay, second question, this is the area. Using this area we can calculate this Qn, because Qn PS into Qn equal to area of what? Parallelogram PQRS. Okay, again we can write it B, area of parallelogram equal to PQRS equal to, this time you should consider which side? PS. PS into, what is its height to that side? Qn into Qn. Okay. Next we already calculate area. What is the area? 91.2 centimeter square. What is the PS? PS equal to 8. Qn not given. Qn equal to, what is its area? 91.2. Qn equal to 91.2 divided by 8. 91.2 divided by 8. 1 8s are 8. 1. Bring down 1. 11. 11 how many times 8? 1 time. 8. 3. Here decimal point is there. You put the decimal point. Bring down to 32. 32 how many times 8? 4 times. 32. 11.4 centimeter. Qn means what? 11.4 centimeter. Okay. Qn equal to 11.4 centimeter, area 91.2 centimeter. Homework, exercise 11.2, question number 3, C, D, question number 4, C.